Apple's Vision Air is coming, and it's lighter, cheaper, and totally mind-blowing. Want the inside scoop? Stick with GadInsider. This is next level. What's up, tech fam? Welcome back to GadInsider. Apple's Vision Air, the sleek successor to Vision Pro, is making waves with a rumored launch as early as late 2025. Let's unpack the leaks, the timeline, and why this headset's a game changer. The Apple Vision Air is a lighter, more affordable mixed reality headset, possibly codenamed N421. Leaks reveal that it'll use titanium internals and an aluminum exterior to cut weight by up to 30% compared to Vision Pro's hefty 600 grams. It might sport a darker midnight blue color inspired by the iPhone 5. A redesigned battery pack and power cable hint at a slimmer, portable design, perfect for longer AR sessions. Why is Vision Air a must-watch? First, it's way more comfy. Less weight means you can wear it for hours. Second, it's cheaper, possibly under $2,000, making spatial computing more accessible. Expect Vision OS 3, which is teased for WWDC 2025, with big upgrades like better app immersion. From designing your dream Porsche to gaming in AR, Vision AR could redefine work and play. Plus, Apple is betting big on titanium for durability, giving it a premium edge. So when can you get it? Reports say Vision Air could launch between November 2025 and April 2026, with mass production ramping up soon. Want to stay ahead? Watch WWDC 2025, June 9th to 13th for Vision OS 3 reveals, and follow GadInsider for every leak. That's the buzz on Apple Vision Air, GadInsider crew. Are you hyped for this AR revolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell, and share this video to stay in the tech loop.